Hello Pilates lovers, welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This is an evening Pilates that you can utilize to strengthen your upper back and shoulders area. It's a lot on your hands and knees today, so get your mat ready and a bottle of water to join me on this lovely, relaxing evening Pilates. Okay, friends, you're gonna start taking a deep breath on your side, belly button in, hands up to the sky. Look as high as you can and gently scoop down towards your belly button in and down. Blow up and blow. And take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow down. This is a lovely evening Pilates that you can do for the evening before you go to bed. And strengthen your shoulders and upper back and core muscles and blow. Scoop it down and blow. So it's like a beautiful wave. Take a deep breath. Reach to the heavens, to the stars. Belly button in and scoop down with your fingers pointing to your belly button and scoop. Engage your core and down blow. Last one. Reach to the heavens. Inhale through your nose. Belly button in. Scoop down. I'm pulling my belly button in while I'm scooping down. And blow. And now, touch the mat. Feet apart. Belly button in. And monkey walk down. So it's a lot of shoulders and arms workout. And feet apart. And push up. Down. And up. And sun salutation. Look up. Extend your spine. Belly button in. And then downward dog. Feet on the mat. Belly button in. And blow. And monkey walk back. Take a deep breath. And slowly go up. And reach to the skies again. Belly button in. Scoop inside. Belly button in. Reach down the mat. Touch. Monkey walk forward. Belly button in. And then gently. Triceps push up. And up. And then sun salutation. Extend your spine. Inhale through your nose and then bend your knees this time. Feel that lovely stretch on your quads muscles and down. And then child pose. Belly button in. Back to downward dog. Inhale. And then slowly push back. Monkey walk back. And then slowly go up. Belly button in. And reach up to the heavens. Inhale. Belly button in and scoop down towards your belly button and reach down the mat. Now you can feel a lovely stretch now in your hamstrings. Monkey walk. Hands forward, reach. And then you're in the plank position. Belly button in. And then slowly triceps push up. Strengthen your shoulders and your triceps. And then sun salutation. Look up. Bend your knees. Love the stretch on your hip flexors and your quadriceps. Belly button in and down blow to child pose. Sit on your buttocks. Reach your hands forward. Stretch your shoulders. Inhale and blow. And back to downward dog. Extend your knees. Push your heels down. Push your head down to stretch your shoulders more. Inhale. Belly button in and monkey walk back. And blow. And then slowly go up. One vertebrae at a time. And blow. Such a lovely warm up. Reach to the heavens. Belly button in. Scoop down to your belly button in. And then reach down the mat. And then monkey walk. Forward. Hands and knees on the mat. Belly button in. Triceps push up. And up. And then sun salutation. Lower your hips. And then slowly look up with your neck. And gently bend your knees to further stretch your hip flexors and your quads and feel that lovely pull on your low back. If you're having pain, stop. As long as it's a gentle stretch. And then child pose. Sit on your tush. Extend your shoulders. Inhale through your nose. Belly button in and blow. And then back to downward dog again. Push your heel down. on the mat, and from this position you are gonna gently march and left and right. Feel that love pull on your calf muscles. Inhale and blow. Belly button in and blow. Inhale and blow. Belly button in and blow. Now you're gonna extend your left leg first. Bend your knee to twist, and then reach on your left elbow, touch if you can, and then kick up again. Single leg downward dog with your right leg up, belly button in, and touch your left knee with your left elbow, and inhale. Don't forget your breaths. Belly button in, bend your knee and blow, and then reach on your left knee. Inhale and kick, belly button in, twist and blow. Last one. Inhale through your nose, belly button in, twist and blow. And now you're in downward dog again. Now you're going to your right leg up, belly button in, twist, inhale, and then slowly reach with your right knee, with your right elbow, and blow and kick up. Inhale, single leg downward dog, bend your right knee, feel that lovely stretch on your hip flexors. Inhale, and then reach on your right elbow with your right knee, touch, and inhale, kick up again, twist with your right knee, belly button in, and back to your right elbow and blow with your breaths. Last one. Inhale up, belly button in, twist, feel that lovely stretch. Inhale, belly button in, and right elbow and blow back to downward dog. Inhale and blow, and then slowly climb up again. Monkey walk back to your toes, touch with your hands, and march left and right. Feel the stretch, belly button in and blow, and then slowly go up one vertebrae at a time and up. Inhale, belly button in, scoop towards your belly button in, and blow, and then monkey walk down. Inhale, and now in this position you're gonna slow bend your knees, touching up, touching your knees on the mat. Feel your core engage and blow. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. Inhale, belly button in and blow. 2 more to go. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. Last one. Lower slowly and lift. And now to challenge your plank, you're gonna lift your left leg and down, right and down, belly button in, engage without twisting your spine and blow. 2 more to go. Inhale, feel your shoulders working hard and blow. So one, take a deep breath and right and down. Now we're going to your stomach position, and from this position you're gonna straighten your hands to your side and lift with the breath. Keep your head up straight. Inhale through your nose. 5 breaths in and 5 breaths out. 5 breaths in, 5 breaths out. Inhale up. Use your shoulders, not your elbows, and blow. 5 breaths in, 5 breaths out, and blow down forward and pull. Elbows back. Take a deep breath and blow. Belly button in and blow. Take a deep breath. Reach forward and back with your elbows and down. Inhale and blow. Belly button in and blow. Now we're going to combine with your knees bending. So reach forward and bend your knees. Feet up. Elbows back and blow. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. 3 to go. Take a deep breath and blow. Bend and look up to extend more and blow. 2 more to go. Take a deep breath and blow. Last one and blow. Now hands and knees. You're gonna do a quick swimming on your legs first. Flip it like a flipper in your feet and do that for 10, 9, 8, feel the burn. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now combine with your hands like swimming. Take a deep breath. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And down below and child pose position. Sit on your tush. Stretch your low back. Take a deep breath and blow. Now we're going to hands and knees to cat and camel. Hands apart, knees apart, and take a deep breath. Look down towards your belly button. Extend your neck down. Punch your shoulders. Inhale, and then slowly look up and blow. Belly button in. Take a deep down and look up. Blow. Inhale and blow. Take a deep breath. Belly button in. Hunch. Angry cat. And up. Camel. Cat and camel. Last one. Take a deep breath and look up. Now we're gonna reach with your left hand. Reach with your right. Take a deep breath. And then touch with your left elbow with your right knee and reach. So you're gonna reach forward. Take a deep breath. And then slowly touch this and blow. Inhale. Belly button in and reach. Inhale. And touch. Back and forth. Left elbow, right knee, and blow. 2. And last one. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and blow. Now, right hand and left knee. Reach. Kick. Keeping your back straight. Inhale and right elbow with your left knee and blow. Inhale. And blow. Belly button in. And 2 more. Take a deep breath. Belly button in. Last. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and blow. Now we're gonna do side to side with your knee bends being like a dog. Left knee up and down, and then right. Inhale and blow. Belly button in and blow. Inhale and blow. 2 more to go. Take a deep breath and blow. Last one on your right and blow. Now we're gonna alternate. Right hand out, left knee out. So alternating right, left hand and right and blow. Take a deep breath and blow. Belly button in. 2 more. And don't forget your breaths. Inhale and blow. Last set. Right out, left knee out. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2. And then left knee, left hand, right knee. Inhale. 5, 4, 2, 1. And blow. And child pose. Inhale. And blow. Last breath. Inhale. And blow. Now we're going to sit up to cool down in a mermaid position. Right leg out. Left behind you. Feel that stretch on your hip groin area. And then slowly twist to the right and look up. Take a deep breath. And blow. And then look down in your right armpit. We're cooling down now. Take a deep breath. Twist to the left. Look up. And now lean on your right elbow. Take a deep breath. Reach over. Belly button in and down. Inhale. Belly button in and blow. Now switch your mermaid position on this side and twist to the left. Look up. And then look on your left armpit and blow. Take a deep breath. Look up again. Feel the stretch on your belly button in and look down and blow. Twist on your right. Look up. Take a deep breath and blow. Lean on your left elbow and overhead. Take a deep breath and blow. Last one. Inhale. Belly button in and blow. Now in a butterfly position. Feet together. Push your knee out as much as you can. And take a deep breath. Look up. Belly button in and blow. Lengthen your spine. We're cooling down now. Inhale. You work hard to strengthen your upper backs and your shoulder. Inhale. Belly button in and blow and twist to the right. Inhale. Up And look at your right armpit and blow. One more look up and down. And then the other side. Take a deep breath and down. Belly button in. Slowly put your elbows forward to stretch more. If this is too difficult, you can do cross-legged to lengthen your spine and your hips, and side to side stretch. Left and right. Lean on your one side of your elbow and shoulders. Take a deep breath and blow, and up again. Take a deep breath and then down. And now you can further extend down and lean left and right. Feel that lovely stretch in your hip groin area. Take a deep breath and blow. Lean to the left. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lean in the right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can further go down until you can touch your head down the floor if you can. Inhale and blow. And that's it. That was such a lovely Pilates, targeting our shoulders, upper back, and your hamstrings for evening decompression workout. So you feel good to sleep tonight, so your body is fully relaxed after working hard. Please like and subscribe my channel. Ring the notification bell for future updates just like this one. I upload videos every Wednesdays, Fridays, Sundays, and sometimes Mondays for Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness. You can also follow me on my social media, my Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, and I also have a Patreon account. You can check out the link down below to support my channel. You can leave comments for any questions, suggestions, and future video requests. Until next time, have a great and healthier you. Bye!